This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you can access your Gmail account and that recovery info is current. This prevents lockout. Once done, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone and open it. On your computer, sign into Gmail and go to Google Account Settings, then Security. Make sure two-step verification is available for your account. Now click to Start Setup. You will be asked to verify your password and choose an authentication method. Proceed to add a new Authenticator app entry. Next, select the Authenticator app option in two-step verification and choose Android or iPhone as appropriate. Once the QR code appears on the desktop, open the app and tap to add an account, then scan the code. If the camera won't scan, tap Enter key and type the long manual code exactly. This creates the time-based code generator on your phone. After the account appears, the app will show a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Use that for verification. Finally, enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the verification field on your computer and submit to confirm the link. That completes the setup. Make sure to download or copy backup codes and store them securely, and consider adding a second phone or security key as a fallback. If the code is rejected, check your phone's clock is set to automatic network time and resync if needed, then rescan the QR code. Once verified, two-step verification is active for your Gmail account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.